Hello, guys. Welcome you once more again to RemedialOne YouTube channel. Myself, Mr. Samuel Abebrizi, US, together with my brother, my classmate, my colleague, Mr. Samuel Boatin, all the way from Prempeh College, the head of math department.
Hello, viewers. Welcome RemedialOne YouTube channel. Today we have something special for you as you have been following. We just want to sustain your interest. So what you looking for, we will bring it to you 24 hours, 24/7. Today, for our first question, today we want to do something about linear equation. Something interesting is a topic which is one of the easiest topics in mathematics. Let's look at our first question. Solve the equation 3 into bracket 6 plus 7y, close the bracket, plus 2, bracket open, 1 minus 5y equal to 42. Let's look at how we solve this question. First of all, we have bracket and we need to remove the bracket. How do we do that? Let's go to the next step. 3 times 6 will give you 18. 3 times 7y, 21y. Go to the next bracket. 2 times 1 will give you 2. Times minus 5y will give you minus 10y, equal to 42. So we have the left-hand side and then the right-hand side. Now, when you look at the left-hand side, there are some like terms. We can put 18 and 2 together, and then 21y and minus 10y together. So let's group them. So 21y, 10y, and 18 plus to 42. To the next step, 21y minus 10y will give you 11y. And 18 plus 2 will give you 20, 42. So we want to find y. So once again, we group the like terms. We send the 20 to the right-hand side. And when it crosses the equal sign, becomes minus 20 minus 20 from each side. So 11y equal to 2. Find y. Let's divide both sides by 11. On the left-hand side, 11 will cancel 11. Remaining y equal to 11 will go to 22 2 times. Simple.
Yes, it is.
Next, we have a question on the board. So 5x minus 7 or on 6 plus 2x minus 3 on 4 and then minus 2 on 3. So this is a linear equation which involves fraction. So what we want to do is to find x. To do it easily, we want to find the LCM of the denominators. So 6, 4, 3, the LCM will be 12. After getting the LCM, we multiply each term. We multiply each term by the LCM, which is 12. Okay. So 6 will go into 12 2 times. 2 times. 4 will go into 12 3 times. 3 will go into 12 4 times. On the last line, we have 2 into bracket 5x minus 7, x minus 7, minus 7, plus 3 bracket open, 2x minus 3 equal to 4 times minus 2. So there's a bracket in there. We need to take it off. And removing the bracket, 2 times 5x will give you 10x. 2 times 7 minus 7 will give you minus 14. Plus times 2x will give you plus 6x. Minus 3 times 3 give you minus 9, which is equal to minus 8. The like terms. So you put all the term in x together, 10x plus 6x minus 14 minus 9 equal to minus 8. Okay. So 10x plus 6x will give you 16x. Minus 14 minus 9 to 23, which is equal to minus 8. So next, we have 16x. We take the minus 23 to the right-hand side. X equal to minus 8, 23. So 16x equal to 15 minus 8 plus 23. So we want to find x. We divide both sides by 16. Cancel 16, leaving x alone. So x is equal to 15 on 16. So this is a simplified fraction, so we leave it as it is. If p minus 2q or on 2p plus q equal to 2 on 5, find the ratio p is to q. Now, this type of linear equation, you have to be very careful. To find p is to q. Now, p is to q is the same as p on q. That's the first thing you need to understand. So indirectly, we are finding p on q. So let's come back to the main question. We can cross multiply. Or at the same time find the LCM. Whichever way you do it, you still get your answer. So let's do cross multiplication. So on the left-hand side, we have 5, bracket open, p minus 2q equal to 2, bracket open, 2p plus q. And you close the bracket. You want to remove the bracket. So 5 times p, we have 5p minus 5 times 2q, we have 10q equal to 2 times 2p will give you 4p, and 2 times q will give you plus 2q. There are like terms, so let's group them. So first, let's bring 4p to 5p, then send 10q to 2q. To do that, we are going to have 5p minus 4p equal to 2q plus 10 kil. So 5p minus 4p will give you p equal to 2 kil plus will give you 12 kil. So remember, we are to find p on kil. So we divide both sides by kil. Okay, here kil will cancel kil. So leaving 1 here. So you have p on kil equal to 12. Okay, now we were asked to find p is to kil. That is the ratio. So we need to rewrite this in that form. So p is to kil becomes 12 is to 1. So you know how we write it. P corresponds to 12 and then kil corresponds to 1. Remember, since this is remedial, if you don't write your final answer in the ratio form, you lose 1 mark. You lose 1 mark. So please always stick to what you have been asked to do. We have, it's similar to the previous one, but let's see what we have. 5y minus x over 8y plus 3x equal to 1 on 5. Okay, we are to find x on y. Writing our answer to 2 decimal places. Okay, so the emphasis is on 2 decimal places. So, well, let's see how we are going to do this. Let's cross multiply. Yes, yeah. So on the left side, we have 1 bracket open 8y plus 3x equal to 5 bracket open 5y minus x. Okay, so we have expressions in brackets. So let's remove the bracket. Here 1 times 8y will give you 8y plus 3x be equal to 5 times 5y will give you 25y. And then we have 5x. We have x's and y's. So let's group the terms. We can bring the x to the left-hand side and then send 8y to the right-hand side. Okay, so we have 3x plus 5x equal to 25y minus 8y. Okay, so 3x plus 5x will give you 8x equal to, this will give you 17y. Now remember, we were asked to find x on y. So first, let's divide both sides by y. On the right-hand side, y will cancel y. Okay, so let's go to the next x on y. It this way, it becomes easier to find your x on y. equal to 17. Yes. So we divide once again through the equation by 8. Right? So 8 will cancel 8. So we have x on y equal to 17 on 8. Remember, you were asked to correct your answer to 2 decimal places. Even though you have x on y as 17 on 8, some can stop here. When you stop here, you lose some marks. So we need to convert this 17 on 8 to decimal. You can use your calculator. So x on y is equal to 2.125. So first decimal places. So we need to correct it to 2 decimal places before you can get the full mark. So x on y, 2 decimal places will be 2.13. Yes. So care must be taken. Some people may decide to end at 17 on 8. When you do that, you lose maybe 2 marks, which shouldn't be so. So always open your eyes and then see what you are supposed to do. The last question for the day is a multiple choice question. We want to look at if you are given a question in the objectives test, how to go about it, and then pick the best option. So we have if 2 into bracket x minus 1 on 3 minus 3 into bracket 2x minus 1 on 4 is equal to 1 on 2. Find x. So as we have been doing, if you have fraction, the best thing to do is to remove the fraction. Now, how do you remove the fraction? You find the LCM of the denominators. So we need to find the LCM of 3, 4, 2. And then the LCM is 12. So we multiply each term by 12. Right. So 3 will go into 12 4 times. And then 4 will go into 12 3 times. 2 will go into 12 6 times. So on the next step, 4 times 2, bracket open x minus 1, minus 3 times 3, bracket open 2x minus 1, equal to 1 times 6. So we have 8 times x minus 1 minus 9 times 2x minus 1 equal to 6. So let's remove the bracket by multiplying 8. So 8 times x will give you 8x minus 8 minus 9 times 2x will give you minus 18x. Then minus 9 times minus 1 will give you plus 9 equal to 6. So once again, let's group the items. So 8x minus 18x minus 8 plus 9 equal to 6. So we have minus 10x plus 1 equal to 6. Since we want to find x, so we send 1 to the right-hand side of the equal sign. So minus 10x equal to 6 minus 1. Minus 10x is equal to 5. So since we want x, let's divide through by minus 10. On the left-hand side, 10 will cancel 10, leaving s alone. Minus 5 will go into 10 2 times. The denominator is minus, so it will affect everything. So minus 1 on 2. So you quickly go to the options, check where you have minus 1 on 2. And you can see that option A gives us the correct answer. Thank you very much for watching this video. Kindly share. I'm Samuel Watson, a tutor at Prempeh College. For further tuition, if you need further explanation, you can call the number on your screen, 0242 307846. If you are not in Ghana, you add +233. You can call, you can WhatsApp me. If you don't understand anything, you WhatsApp me or call. Now, those of you in Kumasi, if you need further tuition, you can come to Prempeh College. God bless you.